Hello, beautiful people. My name is Caroline Wamboi, and welcome back to this amazing channel. So, in today's video, you are going to spend a relaxed weekend with me, and I want to start my video by capturing Friday's moments. I had boiled some pigeon peas, yes, mbaazi, and I wanted to cook some mukimo with it. Yes, in this house, in our house, we really love all types of mukimos. And on this specific day, I was going to do the pigeon peas mukimo, and I decided to do a full recipe on how I normally prepare mine. Maybe you can follow closely and just learn a few things here and there. So if you're watching me for the first time, feel very welcome. In this channel, we love visitors. I officially welcome all the new subscribers of the week. Karibu sana. In this channel, you are going to find a lot of homemaking content, cleaning videos, a little bit of cooking here and there, some lifestyle videos, and of course some hauls and makeovers whenever we have the money. So anything home, you are going to find it in this channel. I had prepared the pigeon peas on Thursday night, yeah, and I just repacked them in the morning, yeah, and this was actually dinner. That's why you see them defrosted, yeah. And for the potatoes, I normally allow them to boil before I can add on the pigeon peas, and I actually mix them with some maize. That's why you can see some, yeah, it's actually pigeon peas githeri. Yeah, I don't love cooking them that way. I normally first boil the potatoes, then after they are almost cooking, I can now add the pigeon peas so that they cannot overcook. Yeah, I was going to use spring onions, and most of the times when I am doing mokimo, I just love using these spring onions because they add in some very good taste to the food. Yeah, and I will be using them later, and I only used them for the food that we were eating on that day because I cooked a lot of it so that we could have it for Saturday lunch.
Traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
So that was the turnout, and actually the potatoes outdid the pigeon peas githeri, but it was still very okay. So this is later in the evening. I just decided to fry part of it because, as earlier mentioned, it's like I just cooked a combined lunch for even Saturday. Yeah, and you can see I started off with my onions, allowing my onions to cook. Normally, if I'm just cooking the whole food, I normally cook the onions, then I'll pour them on Mukimo. But on this day, I just did it differently, and we were taking it alongside with some, what do we call it? Goat meat. Yeah, and the reason why I'm just calling this a relaxed vlog, a relaxed weekend vlog, I actually did nothing. I mean, nothing over the weekend. I just ate and slept and washed utensils. Nothing more to that. Yeah, actually, I'm used to just doing some deep cleans in the house and doing a lot of laundry, which I didn't do. I actually did it on Friday evening so that I will have a very, very restful weekend, because it's like my body has been recently feeling like it has some burnout. Yes, I think I've been overworking at some point, and yeah, I just wanted to just relax over the weekend. Yeah, so we really enjoyed this Mukimo. Actually, I've not taken it for a long time. I think the last time I took it is when I was breastfeeding, and it's very, very nutritious. I think you can try it out and let me know if you loved it. But actually, you will love it. Pigeon peas has some very special taste. Yeah, that was the turnout, and my goat meat was a bit dark because I normally add some, what do we call it, some soy sauce. So this is later on Saturday. I normally do my restocks every Saturday. That is a must. Yeah, I normally buy everything, the main things I need for the week on Saturday. Yeah, that is my budget, so that I will not spend a lot of money here there over the week. Yeah, so I just bought a few items which you can see, and my God, may God have mercy on us. Things are so, so, so expensive, very, very expensive. But I just managed to get a few things that I really needed over the week.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times.
So guys, this is the restock. Very many packets of milk. They will take us like the whole week, because there are 5 big ones and 5 small ones. Those ones are for the entire week. And I have this biscuit for snacking, a little bit of chocolate. I also passed by the cereal shop and got this green grams, and I got some 2, what do we call them? Yes, 2 scoring sponges, I don't know, for cleaning utensils. Cakes for my babies, 10 o'clock tea at school. These ones will go up to Thursday because I pack 2 per day. And I'll show you this later as I explain something. I also got these 4 pieces of yogurt, and she'll be taking them at 4 over the week. This snack, she has already eaten half of it. This packet of Indomil, a loaf, and there is some bathing soap here and some, God, I forgot to come with steel wire. Yeah, this is only bathing soap. And I also got this paprika. Guys, you know what? Last week, I went to the supermarket, and I thought I had picked paprika, but I instead got this. You can see they almost look very similar, sorry. And I almost messed up my meal on one evening. Actually, I had to cook for my baby some other meal. It's a long story, but I think, God, I think next time I'll be so, so careful. So I'll have to throw this away. It's still very new, very, very new, because in this house we don't use paper, and it is very, very, what do we call it? Nikali sana. Yes, very nikali kali sana. So I'll have to throw it away. I actually needed paprika the day I took it, and I felt so, so bad. That was a waste of my money. Yeah, I also got tomatoes, all these for 100 shillings. There are very many tomatoes in the market. These ones will go for the whole week. Yeah, some beef. We are, of course, doing pilau. Today is Saturday. And some carrots and some coriander here. So that's what I got. Yeah, every week I normally restock on Saturday. Yeah, and this will go, will serve us for the entire week. We are only picking what is necessary. This is what I must buy every other Saturday, guys. Yeah.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
So those who are not new here know how we normally prepare our green grams. After cleaning them, I normally soak them with some warm water for a few hours so that they take less time while cooking. It also saves up on the gas if you are boiling them with your gas cooker. So I decided to cook them later in the evening, and I was preparing them as a stew for some chapatis. Yeah, over the weekend we must make chapatis. That's a must. Yeah, so I had made them behind camera, and here I was just preparing the green grams stew, and I didn't use a lot of things on it, just some onions, of course, some tomatoes, some carrots, some what do we call it, some ho-hos. Yeah, and that was it. So in case you have watched this video up to this point, allow me to just say thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you for sparing your time to just come and catch up with my content. I don't take it for granted. May God bless you abundantly. Thank you for the sacrifice, and for all those who are running channels. May God lift your channels. May God bless your families. I am grateful. Caro is very, very happy. Of course, the only spice I normally use on my food most of the times is some Royco cubes and paprika. And that was it with the stew. So follow closely until the end of the video.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that
just decided to clean up the utensils as I cooked, because it would have made my work easier the following morning. Yeah, normally when I'm so tired, I don't clean at night. I won't lie to you. Yeah, if I'm tired, I just leave them and I normally work on them in the morning. But since I was in the mood to clean, I just decided to do it. So that's how my weekend was. A very relaxed one. I think that is the first weekend of the year when I have had to rest, not doing any house chore, not cleaning, not doing anything actually, because for utensils and cooking, you must do it. As far as you have a toddler, you must cook and you must clean up. So I just thank God for that opportunity, by the way, because it at times gets crazy working at the same time homemaking. It's never a joke. You just need the grace. Yeah, and guys, and my weekend just decided to end so well with these 5 liters of oil. It's like I got it for free. Let me say it is free because I got it from my supermarket loyalty points. And yeah, that was a really good one. So that was the turnout of the dinner, and we really enjoyed it off camera. And yeah, that was it, guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. I love you. Let me see you in my next video.